Hi TCL, come on in. Welcome to my home. You've got me right in the middle of my morning coffee, but this is how my day begins anyway. Come, let me show you around. अपने साथ थोड़ा सा वक्त गुजारना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. A lot of people want to know how Ali and I met, so this is how we met. I collect way more than I read, but I do read a lot. So this is the room I start my day in. मैं अपनी कॉफ़ी बना के यहाँ के बैठ जाती हूँ. कई दफ़ा किताब पढ़ लेती हूँ, कई दफ़ा अपने ख्यालों के साथ बैठती हूँ. थोड़ा सा दिन प्लान कर लेती हूँ. दिन में क्या करना है, खाना आज बनाना है या नहीं बनाना. अपने साथ थोड़ा सा वक्त गुजारना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. उसके बाद बच्चे घर आ जाते हैं, उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना. कई दफ़ा कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री होती है, अगर कोई स्कूल वर्क होता है तो ऑफन वी लाइक टू वॉच द डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑन इट because it's easier for at least my kids to learn that way. Visually जब वो कोई चीज़ देखते हैं तो उनको ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से याद रहता है कि वो क्या देख रहे हैं और उनकी मेमोरी में ये ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह रिटेन होता है. तो वो कई दफ़ा हम एज अ फैमिली भी देखते हैं, कई दफ़ा बच्चे ऑन देयर ओन भी देखते हैं. So when we were building the house and working on the plan, we wanted the lounge and essentially the living room to be the life of the house and the center of the house. So even when we are entertaining, often we leave the window open और इधर से ही हम अंदर बाहर जाते हैं. As we wanted it to be the living space and the central space of the house, we actually do that a lot because the kids don't have a TV in their room. So when they have to watch TV or we have to watch together, we're always here. Shall we see the rest of the house now? Come, let's go. Next, I'll take you to the lobby. Oh, and by the way, a lot of people want to know how Ali and I met. So this is how we met. He made this portrait of me while he used to sketch at the PC lobby. This is way back when, before he became a big star. And I think I look pretty close to how I look now. This is in 2000, by the way. So it's 25 years ago. So we have some family pictures here. And funnily enough, these are all pictures that my parents had printed to frame in their house. But then I just stole them all and I put them all up. So I'm going to fill you in on a big secret today. I am a trained classical pianist and today I'm going to play something for you guys. और मुझसे शादी अली ने इसीलिए की थी क्योंकि मैं बहुत खूबसूरत पियानो बजाती हूँ. नहीं, I'm the only one who doesn't play the piano. अली तो बचपन से ही बजाता आ रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता कब से बजाता आ रहा है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा बजाता है. बच्चों के पियानो लेसन्स होते हैं, so they play really well. Azan is shy, so he will definitely not play for us, but Eliza likes to show off her skills. और अली ने बहुत प्यार से ये पियानो ख़रीदा था because he wanted that the kids should play and this should be another central space in the house. And we entertain here as well, so when we have close gatherings and Ali is playing and singing, so it's nice for him to be here. बाहर भी लोग होते हैं, अंदर भी होते हैं, तो it's a very nice warm feeling. And of course when you enter the house, so the first thing you see is the baby grand, and I think that shows that this is an artist's house. As you can see, the pool is right here behind me, and when we were constructing the house, we wanted the whole house to be constructed with the pool as the center of the home. So our bedroom looks onto the pool, the lounge looks onto the pool, so does the lobby, and the upstairs is built the same way. And the sound of the water is always very, very soothing, so we often feel like we're in a spa or I don't know, somewhere in some villa on some holiday. So the whole vibe of a house is very calm and peaceful, and when it's raining, the sound on the water is just super, super amazing. So now I'll take you this way into our dining room. Has a little bit of a old castle vibe going on. So the dining room is where I like to host and entertain, and I'm big on having an Eid lunch or dinner where all of our families come over and close friends. So it's always a very intimate gathering. And the great thing about our home is that all of the portions are connected, all of the rooms are connected. And most evenings do end with Ali singing and playing the piano. So that works out really nicely for us. And सर्दियों की छुट्टियों में अक्सर लोग बाहर से आते हैं हमारे साथ रहने. इस साल भी आ रहे हैं. And it's very important for us to have clean air accessible, especially for people coming from out of town. हमें तो ज़रा आदत हो गई है smog में रहने की. But it's important for us to have access to clean air for friends and obviously for our kids and for ourselves also. Okay, let's continue the tour. I'll take you upstairs to my book collection. It's this way. So this is my book collection, and all my books are very precious to me. I collect way more than I read, but I do read a lot. And then all of these are my mother's collections, which she has passed over to me. So there's a spoon collection, there's a teapot collection, there's some really, really old china as well. So yeah, this is all very special to me, and I often wonder that if I have to move to another country, what am I going to do with all of this? I'll probably pack it up in cartons and take it with me. I have just finished a book, so now I'm thinking about which one I'm going to read next. And this one has been on my list for a really long time. I think I bought this maybe 4 years ago. So yeah, I think this will be my next read. If you want to come further with me, however, I can give you another piece of information. This is a painting that Ali and I created together during COVID. Obviously, we were all going a little stir crazy, so we got canvases and we got all the kids to paint in the garden with us. So I basically did the whole, the colors and everything, and then I asked Ali to, with a palette knife, to just do a profile of a woman in that. So I don't know if you can see from that angle or not, but there is a lady hiding inside this. So, as I said, I read a lot of books. Mostly I do read fiction, but I do have to read a lot for my work as well. I work with helping people to help themselves with self-improvement and with releasing trauma through fascial maneuvers. So I have an eclectic approach, I guess, where I work as a psychotherapist as well. I help release the fascia through the fascial maneuvers, and I also work as a Reiki practitioner. And the more I read, the more grounded I feel myself, and I feel in a better mind space to be able to help my clients also. I'm someone who constantly wants to learn. I love studying. I love increasing my knowledge about the mind and how people work and how people think and how they function. And currently I have taken a deep dive into Carl Jung, and I am studying his Red Book, which is extremely fascinating if anybody else wants to take a dive into it. So I love December, I love the cold, and as you can see, we have our fireplace going. I love the coziness associated with winter, and we have our blankets. We have our popcorn, and we're all set to watch a movie, which we can do outside here now because of this lovely new addition in our home, which is portable. So I think maybe next we can watch a movie in the garden. Yeah. And I think, as I said, watching movies is a big part of our family life. And I think it will be a great core memory for our kids when they grow up. Do you think it will be something you remember? Definitely. Yeah? Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed our home as much as we enjoy it. And I hope that you felt at home here as well. Thank you, and we're going to continue with our movie now and our popcorn.